Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to plan for a child's education or wedding with Empower. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Now, the first step is to open the planning tool. Now, from your Empower dashboard, you're going to click the planning tab and then select goals. After that, you need to add a new goal. So you can just choose custom goal for events like a child's education or a wedding. Next is to set the details, so just enter the target amount, the date, as well as any existing savings that you set aside. Once that's done, we need to link funding sources, so select the accounts that you're going to use to fund this goal. Could be cash, investments, or savings. The final step is to track progress. Now, Empower will calculate exactly how much you need to save each month, and of course, it's going to show your progress on the timeline, so you can track that to make sure that you're on target. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.